welcome back to my YouTube channel. New camera, who's this? So today I'm actually going out with my mom to church for a ladies meeting, so see you there. I'll show you my outfit later. Hi guys, so we have arrived at the place now, but I'm having problems with this camera. Say hi.
Celebrate your shape. That's what the Lord was telling me at the time. And when we decided on the date for this meeting, I was looking for something encouraging to come and say to you guys. And I felt that this is so what the Lord wants me to share with you today. Celebrate your shape. And what I wrote in my journal last year on this very specific day was not about shape. My hips are too wide. But there's much more to the shape than just a physical shape. And it's important to remember that the Lord is the potter and we are the clay, and the potter has got the ability, and He may shape you as He wishes, because He is the potter. You are not the potter. Susie tried to keep calm, knowing they should have left 2 minutes earlier to touch the light fan. Susie left Mama right to hurry. As there wouldn't be any seats left by the time. Mama right with no other option and left her with Susie dashed out the front door and waited for Mama right at the tram stop, making sure they left on the right track.
Don't worry, Dr. Peter Capcut, Dr. Peter. Kutongo jairo tikanoga bate chikoboto chinayo todo chikanda ndapota ndachira.
My surprise kuzimu. Mwatengela moto.
Surprise chibosho ndo chakakonja.
Tazvana chibosho.
I think it's been like you used to do it
Yeah, it's not in me anymore.
This day that God is giving me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hi guys, so we're going home now. We got a gift. Sorry. So yeah, see you soon. Now we're going, I think, for groceries before we go home. And then I loved my outfits. I wish I could show you. I think I'll show you when I get home.
I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. Doesn't matter if it is today. For tomorrow, and I ain't worried about it.
No.
Blaming on tomorrow. Don't you blaming on tomorrow. Blaming on tomorrow.
I have to put it on.
Hi y'all, so I'm back home as you can see now. I don't know whether I should look here or there, but I'm back now and I can't believe I'm the one doing this. Showing my time on the phone, yo. It's 15:23. So I'm back home now. I'm just trying to show you what we got. Just a tiny gift though, but yeah. I hope you can see me with our names. It was so fun. It was so lovely to see the ladies at church. I can't wait for church tomorrow. Church is so good, yo. So this is what was in my mom's. It's like a, I don't know what to call this, a little jar with some chocolates. Let me see if this, it's probably the same for me also. So yeah, we ended up going to the shops for some weekly groceries. I'm so tired. I think I showed you that, but I didn't show you all of it because it was a lot. And also filming in public, guys, with the camera. Filming in public with the camera. Focus on me. Thank you. Filming in public with the camera is just a chore. Like, everyone will just be staring at you. But I really loved my outfit. I hope I can show you. I can be able to show you. I'll definitely do it again. Probably with makeup this time. Focus on me. And take some pictures. Yeah, it's the same for me also. Mine is pink or red, I don't know, with just 2 chocolates. So yeah, we also got clay. We're supposed to, the theme was embrace your shape or be happy because of your shape, something like that. So I had made a pot with this clay we were given, but obviously I have to redo it because it was broken in transit, yo. So yeah, I'll probably do that and show you. Probably do that tomorrow because right now I'm so tired. I'll see you guys. I think I'll do a weekly vlog. Right now I'm having a social media fast. I don't know how many months I'm gonna be off TikTok and Instagram and also YouTube. So I'm just gonna be vlogging bits and pieces and then I'll combine them and just do a few days in my life vlog. Did you get me? How do you like this camera, yo? Like, it's so pretty. Ah! Shout out to Pal Kosi. This is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. She even gave me a SIM card, an SD card. How lovely is that? So yeah, guys, right now I'm just gonna chill with my family, look for something to watch, and yeah. Guys, can you believe this is from grade 7? Like 13 years ago, I'm still wearing the same clothes. This is how tiny I am. It just shows you how tiny I am. And obviously I was carrying this bag, my favorite bag of all time. So yeah, guys, I've been yapping for 5 minutes. How crazy. So yeah, talk to you later.
That you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. That you are loved.
Okay, guys, remember you can only vote
once. You want to say boy?
Okay, doctor, please heal someone.
Next one, who's gonna roll?
Who's this? Hi guys, so I'm sorry I didn't talk to you much, but we're about to go home. It was so fun with my friends from church. It was so fun. Played games, ate, so now we're going home. I'll see you next time. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry I didn't talk to you much today, but yeah. See ya. So guys, I'm having my muesli with yogurt, plain yogurt, and then I just put strawberry flavored on top because the plain one has no sugar at all, and my diet is actually sugar-free diet. So yeah, I didn't want to put honey, so I added the strawberry. And also the granola has chunks of strawberries. I have bananas here, I have apples and orange, and these are my ladies. So here I have vitamin C. This one is chia water, and I put a teaspoon, I think, of lemon juice, and this is green juice. So yeah, these are my ladies. And this food will make me full, I think, until like 5, 6, and that'll be dinner time. So yeah. Do you guys see how the lace is damaged, guys? It's even tearing. Bangs is the only way to save this wig. Honestly, it's literally damaged. Look here. What? Crazy. I'm gonna cut here, but here my lace is kind of crazy. That's why I wanted to do layers. I think I'll just cut layers later when I've decided how I really want the bangs to look like. gonna cut here and hope for the best. Oh my god. What is this, child? Did I just ruin my wig? Oh my god. What is this? Hey yo, this is a progress. So I'm just gonna cut. Oh my god, my battery is low. I'm just gonna try cut layers and then I'll show you later. So I'm done with my hair. Do we like it? I feel like it's cute. It's better now because the lace is closed and stuff. So yeah, I'm always trying new things. So yeah, my baby is out of battery. I was so lazy to go take the charger, so I just thought let me close the vlog here. I love you guys so much. You mean the most to me. And I know I'm not really consistent, but trust me, I will be. Right now, I'm just taking it day by day. And I know you guys appreciate me so much. And I love you guys for that. I might be missing on every other platform, but I'll really make sure that I show up here. Because I feel so safe here. Also, what is my mirror doing? So yeah, guys, I just thought let me not comb out the curls because I might go somewhere tomorrow, so I'm just gonna leave them like this so that they don't fall. But yeah, I'm really feeling this fringe because also I have a big forehead, like, so now I can really like close it and stuff. I really like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. So yeah, it's Ginger Girl over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna charge my camera, my batteries actually. But I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to Pearl. Shout out to Pearl for this camera, yo. Like, I am so grateful. And I bought my tripod on Shein. I feel like it's cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna close out the video here. I think I'll start another one tomorrow if I go where I want to go. And then yeah, I'm just feeling myself and stuff. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this one. I know it was all over the place, but I was just filming bits and pieces throughout my days and just thought let me combine a weekly vlog. And I think I'm gonna be doing this more often. Just pick up the camera, record, and then put out one vlog. Yeah. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining the family. I hope next time you bring a friend. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Love y'all.